Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life story and everyday conversations. Today's topic is visiting my grandparents. Visiting grandparents is a wonderful way to spend time with family. Grandparents share stories, give good advice, prepare delicious meals, and make us feel loved. Today, you will learn how to talk about visiting your grandparents using simple and natural English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Grandparents' vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Grandmother. Repeat. Grandmother. Grandfather. Repeat. Grandfather. Visit. Repeat. Visit. Village. Repeat. Village. Garden. Repeat. Garden. Story. Repeat. Story. Hug. Repeat. Hug. Smile. Repeat. Smile. Family. Repeat. Family. Weekend. Repeat. Weekend. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. I love visiting my grandparents. Repeat. I love visiting my grandparents. My grandmother tells wonderful stories. Repeat. My grandmother tells wonderful stories. My grandfather works in the garden. Repeat. My grandfather works in the garden. Very good. Talking about grandparents. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Emma, when do you visit your grandparents? Daniel, I usually visit them on weekends. Emma, where do they live? Daniel, they live in a small village. Emma, do you enjoy visiting them? Daniel, yes. I always have a wonderful time. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I love my grandparents. Pause. I love my grandparents. We spend time together. Pause. We spend time together. They always make me smile. Pause. They always make me smile. I enjoy every visit. Pause. I enjoy every visit. Very good. Arriving at grandparents' house. Mother. We're here. Sophia. I'm so excited. Grandmother. Welcome. Come and give me a hug. Sophia. I missed you so much. Grandfather. We're happy to see you. Sophia. I'm happy to be here too. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Every Saturday morning, Olivia visits her grandparents with her parents. They drive to a quiet village surrounded by green fields. When they arrive, Olivia hugs her grandmother and grandfather. Her grandmother prepares a delicious lunch. After lunch, her grandfather shows her the beautiful flowers in his garden. Later, they sit together on the porch and talk about school, family, and happy memories. Before going home, Olivia thanks her grandparents for the lovely day. She always looks forward to visiting them again. Now answer these questions. When does Olivia visit her grandparents? She visits them every Saturday morning. Where do her grandparents live? They live in a quiet village. What does her grandmother prepare? She prepares a delicious lunch. What does her grandfather show her? He shows her the flowers in the garden. How does Olivia feel before going home? She feels thankful and happy. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I enjoy visiting my grandparents. My grandmother is very kind. My grandfather tells funny stories. We spend weekends together. Family time is special. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about regular family visits, use the present simple tense. For example, I visit my grandparents every weekend. My grandmother cooks delicious food. My grandfather grows vegetables in the garden. We drink tea together. These simple sentences are common in everyday English conversations. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. My grandparents love me. I enjoy spending time with my family. Every visit is a happy memory. Love makes families stronger. I always look forward to visiting my grandparents. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful vocabulary about grandparents, practiced simple conversations, and talked about visiting your grandparents in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to help our grandparents enjoy family meals, listen to childhood stories, and spend a wonderful weekend together. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in part 2. In part 1, we learned useful vocabulary about grandparents, practiced simple conversations, and talked about visiting grandparents on the weekend. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to help your grandparents enjoy family meals, listen to childhood stories, and spend a happy day together. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Helping my grandparents. Helping our grandparents is a kind way to show love. Listen carefully. I water the plants. Repeat. I water the plants. I carry the shopping bags. Repeat. I carry the shopping bags. I clean the table. Repeat. I clean the table. I help in the garden. Repeat. I help in the garden. Excellent. Conversation in the garden. Grandfather. Would you like to help me in the garden? Sophia. Yes, Grandpa. I would love to help. Grandfather. Please water the flowers. Sophia. Of course. The flowers look beautiful. Grandfather. Thank you for helping me. Wonderful. Family lunch. Grandmother. Lunch is ready. Everyone, please come to the table. Daniel. It smells delicious. Grandmother. I made your favorite vegetable soup. Daniel. Thank you. I can't wait to eat. Mother. Let's enjoy this meal together. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I like helping my grandparents. Pause. I like helping my grandparents. We enjoy eating together. Pause. We enjoy eating together. My grandparents tell interesting stories. Pause. My grandparents tell interesting stories. I always learn something new. Pause. I always learn something new. Very good. Listening to stories. Emma. Grandma, can you tell us a story? Grandmother. Of course. When I was a little girl, I walked to school every day. Ryan. Was it far? Grandmother. Yes, but I enjoyed the journey with my friends. Emma. That is a wonderful story. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. One Sunday afternoon, Ryan visited his grandparents. After lunch, his grandfather showed him old family photographs. Each picture had a special story. Ryan listened carefully as his grandfather talked about his childhood, his school days, and his first job. Later, Ryan helped his grandmother bake a cake. She taught him how to mix the ingredients carefully. When the cake was ready, the whole family enjoyed eating it together with tea. Ryan felt happy because he learned many new things and spent quality time with his grandparents. Now answer these questions. What did Ryan's grandfather show him? He showed him old family photographs. What did Ryan learn about? He learned about his grandfather's childhood, school days, and first job. What did Ryan help his grandmother do? He helped her bake a cake. What did the family eat together? They ate cake and drank tea. Why was Ryan happy? Because he learned new things and spent quality time with his grandparents. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I enjoy listening to family stories. I help my grandparents with small jobs. We eat lunch together. I learn from my grandparents. Every visit is special. Very good. English learning tip. Use after, before, and later to describe the order of events. For example, after lunch, we walked in the garden. Before dinner, I helped my grandfather. Later, we drank tea together. These words help your English sound more natural and organized. Practice using them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. Helping my grandparents makes me happy. Family meals bring everyone together. I enjoy hearing old stories. Every visit teaches me something new. Love grows when families spend time together. Fantastic work. Today you learned how to help your grandparents enjoy family meals and listen to interesting family stories in English. In part 3, we will practice longer conversations, talk about family traditions, special celebrations, learning useful life lessons from grandparents, and improving your English through more real-life situations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in part 3. In part 2, we learned how to help our grandparents enjoy family meals and listen to interesting stories. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to talk about family traditions, special celebrations, useful life lessons, and making happy memories with your grandparents. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Learning from grandparents. Grandparents have many life experiences. They teach us important lessons. Listen to this conversation. Emma. Grandpa, how did you learn to grow vegetables? Grandfather. My father taught me when I was a young boy. Emma. That is amazing. Grandfather. Learning never stops. Every day teaches us something new. Excellent. Now repeat. I enjoy learning from my grandparents. Pause. I enjoy learning from my grandparents. They give me good advice. Pause. They give me good advice. I respect my grandparents. Pause. I respect my grandparents. Very good. Family traditions. Sophia. Grandma, what do we always do during family holidays? Grandmother. We cook together, eat together, and tell stories together. Sophia. That is my favorite tradition. Grandmother. Family traditions bring us closer. Wonderful. A birthday celebration. Mother. Today is Grandpa's birthday. Emma. Let's decorate the living room. Daniel. I'll blow up the balloons. Sophia. I'll help Grandma prepare the cake. Grandfather. Thank you, everyone. This is a wonderful surprise. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Last weekend, Olivia visited her grandparents for her grandfather's birthday. The whole family gathered at their house. Everyone brought a small gift and a birthday card. Her grandmother cooked many delicious dishes. After dinner, they sang Happy Birthday together. Olivia gave her grandfather a photo album filled with family pictures. He smiled and thanked everyone for the thoughtful gift. Later, the family sat together, shared old memories, laughed, and enjoyed the evening. Olivia realized that the best gift was spending time together as a family. Now answer these questions. Why did Olivia visit her grandparents? She visited them for her grandfather's birthday. What did everyone bring? They brought a gift and a birthday card. What gift did Olivia give? She gave her grandfather a photo album. What did the family do after dinner? They sang Happy Birthday. What did Olivia learn? She learned that spending time together is the best gift. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. My grandparents give good advice. I enjoy our family traditions. We celebrate together. Every visit creates happy memories. I love spending time with my grandparents. Very good. English learning tip. Use always, often, and sometimes to describe family habits. For example, we always eat together. We often visit my grandparents. Sometimes we play games after dinner. These words help you describe routines naturally in English. Practice using them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. My grandparents teach me many things. Family traditions are important. Love grows through kindness. Every family visit is a special memory. I am thankful for my grandparents. Fantastic work. Today you practice talking about family traditions, birthdays, and learning valuable life lessons from your grandparents. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about visiting grandparents, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you talk confidently about your own grandparents in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, and improved your English by talking about visiting your grandparents. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. A wonderful weekend at my grandparents' house. Hello, my name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about one of my favorite weekends with my grandparents. Last Saturday morning, my parents, my younger brother, and I woke up early. We packed some fresh fruit, homemade cookies, and a small basket of flowers. Then we drove to my grandparents' house in a peaceful village. The journey took about 1 hour. When we arrived, my grandmother opened the door with a big smile. She hugged all of us warmly. My grandfather was waiting in the garden. He was watering the flowers and growing fresh vegetables. He smiled and said, "Welcome. I'm so happy to see all of you." After talking for a while, my grandfather invited my brother and me into the garden. He showed us how to plant a small tomato plant. He explained that plants need water, sunshine, and patience to grow. We listened carefully and enjoyed learning something new. Meanwhile, my grandmother and my mother prepared lunch in the kitchen. The delicious smell filled the whole house. Soon everyone gathered around the table. We enjoyed homemade soup, rice, vegetables, fresh bread, and fruit. During lunch, my grandparents told funny stories about their childhood. We laughed together and listened with great interest. After lunch, we washed the dishes together. Then we sat in the living room and looked through old family photo albums. Each photograph reminded us of a special memory. My grandfather showed us pictures from his school days and told us how different life was many years ago. Later in the afternoon, we went for a short walk around the village. The air was fresh and the birds were singing. We greeted friendly neighbors and admired the beautiful green fields. Before going home, my grandmother packed some homemade cookies for us. She said, "Take these home and enjoy them together." We thanked both of my grandparents for their kindness and hugged them goodbye. On the way home, I thought about the wonderful day. I realized that visiting my grandparents is not only about spending time together. It is also about learning, sharing, respecting, and creating beautiful memories. Their love, wisdom, and kindness always make me feel safe and happy. I cannot wait to visit them again next weekend. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. What did Sophia's family take to her grandparents' house? They took fresh fruit, homemade cookies, and flowers. What did Grandpa teach Sophia and her brother? He taught them how to plant a tomato plant. What did the family do after lunch? They washed the dishes and looked at old photo albums. Where did they go in the afternoon? They went for a walk around the village. What did Sophia learn from the visit? She learned that family time is full of love, learning, and happy memories. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. I love visiting my grandparents. They always welcome me warmly. We enjoy talking together. I learn many things from them. Every visit is a happy memory. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. How often do you visit your grandparents? What do you usually do together? What is your favorite memory with your grandparents? What food does your grandmother cook? What important lesson have your grandparents taught you? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. The more you practice speaking, the more confident your English will become. English learning tip. When telling a story about a visit, use sequence words. For example, first, we drove to my grandparents' house. Then, we helped in the garden. After that, we had lunch together. Finally, we hugged them goodbye and went home. These words make your story easy to follow and more natural. Practice using them every day. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about visiting your grandparents, describe family activities and traditions, speak about helping in the garden and enjoying family meals, talk about stories, memories, and family love. Use everyday English to describe a happy family visit. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and always cherish the time you spend with your grandparents and your family. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.